Abuja mama makwaba from like Black Media. Abuja say and some that power so John Dramani Mahama, President of Republic of Ghana. Abuja Nimia Ibrahim Mahama private jet ya what they action say the 4 years ya what they babet me Ghana kunyaso so man panini no won yusu sa private jet nemu mo yusu on my Ghana a private jet ya president for ni yusu no eno NPP 14 stem no mo se da omo ntiase se oman ewo wiemhyen ewo ho no ma oman yi dia president bi aba wo betenamu adidi akoniaba nanso John Dramani Mahama de wo so wonte ase ene MPP fo kokọ apaye bu afu eno ena enam so ema Sadiq Adam Angel Money Show and host one Honorable Dominic Aduna Bingap and two MP for Bimbila constituency what northern region everything komo now on also ka say some na NDC for ye ne de medwene ho amentiase say ya buru say be you say ye die you say o man ewo wiemhyen wo ho no na mo seda mun yusu wiemhyen no nemum wo ma wo bra e de ne wiemhyen ye private jet e de amount eno na nde mentiase abusia na no na ye busa won ho say da bi o man wo wiemhyen na say wo bi so say o me so meche menua bi no yusu a enka ehwo abufuo ene de abusia ka me ho ne nkwaje nchiremu no emle sisiye
play ni say ode ninua wiemhyen na eko na yenim the state of the presidential jet muja ye no enti na onfan kwenu ayehwe on the floor of parliament say which him say it's in good condition. Why is the president not traveling with the presidential jet?
Yes, me that's not me see me TSS on or say on you see presidential jet, you know. Not some, but as for the jet and Kasadi, it is good enough to be used. President Nana Akufo-Addo was starting you see the refurbished jet, you know, from April, May, June, July, August, September, up to even December, or you see jet. I was even just telling them, say, on the 23rd of December, now, it's in top shape. On 29th, you know, he's been using that jet. He's used that jet to France, he's used that jet to the UK, or you see to Nigeria, to Ethiopia, or African Union, or you see that jet virtually every time. Even back then, the speaker anchors said, so, you see that jet, you know, to Nigeria before, last year. So, most of you see that jet, you know, I don't know, I'm in so. The only problem, sir, would be you see commercial. I want to make that point clear. Say, yeah, as minority, even including me as a member of parliament or former defense minister, this is a problem. Akufo-Addo himself used commercial several times. Because I said the Emirates, or you see several times for British Airways, or you see the Libya, he's always used commercial as president several times. Qatar Airways, or you should be. So it is not strange, say, we are president or obey you so. But when your jet is there and you decide, say, me you so, either me you see me brother dear, which is a gift for which you must declare to the state. Because some people will give that you have to pay what gift tax. It's a free. So be more gift, you have to pay gift tax. You have to be very careful, especially President Burkina Faso contractor gave a gift and turned out to be something that was tied to a contract. Ibrahim Mahama, if you remember very well, and son of President Bakono or the mines, bauxite, the Ibrahim company. So you have to be very, very careful when you are a president and come back and you are using the assets of that person. What is it tied to? But for now, the jet is serviceable, very, very serviceable. It is very, very good shape. There's no problem with it at all. And pilots are uses pilot. They were the same pilot that were flying Mahama when he was president. Same pilot. Akufo-Addo wants pilots. The only person who was the CDS then, the chief of defense staff, not C. So your CDS are. It's a new point say you'll be flying the president, you and the president and the plan they be you're correct. Apart from that, once the pilots be it was the same pilots.
Okay. So Usha and someone amonso aka from Ampanyi camp. Almost say Oma requested for a detailed report of the presidential jet from the communications squadron unit of the Air Force. Omonsa nyanka sa report na they cannot fly the presidential jet.
Well, it is up to them to decide what they want to do. But on him say, why used to the military helicopters before?
Yeah.
Or use military helicopter. For me, I would trust the presidential jet better than the helicopter. I was a minister and I know what I'm saying. Or use military helicopter. But if you can use the helicopters and you can use the jet, what is so special about the report of the jet? Is a report, but the helicopters you don't need it.
Maybe I know the amount producer man because this is also a matter of risk.
It's the same thing. Or besides the inventory of a report on communication squadron. The squadron includes all those assets. Includes the helicopters, includes the presidential jet, includes everything. But let me see, there is no problem. Mahama Oban knows not a woman. It was in there said aircraft way is serviceable, is good, can be used. Me see way Casaway is good, it can be used. Casaway and me a Spain for servicing. The other one no hangar Ghana hire it will go into Spain. I gave them all the details of all those kind of things.
Okay.
And see, I told them everything. Say we presidential jet is in good condition, is being used and can be used. Casaway is being used and can be used. The other Casa was Spain, and the third one no, it is in Ghana here in the hangar. We are preparing to take it also to Spain.
Okay.
So it is not something that man catch on listen. And when we met as members of the transition team on the security, Nami a chairman of the transition team on infrastructure, but I was also part of the security. Make a show. So we are good. But for the presidential jet, it's in good condition.
Okay.
I feel say a mistake by the president to be using new brother aircraft when you have the Ghana has bought an aircraft for you. We prayed that everything should be okay. But if there is a security breach, it will be very embarrassing to our nation as a country. It's not good at all.
Okay.
Your own asset where the military is in control, and they are some of the best pilots you can find. Your own asset where the military is in control. It is their duty to protect the president by air, by sea, and by land. It is their duty, and they will do it with their blood. They will sacrifice their life for you. And he said, "Oh, assets are military there a year juma." It is important say you use that asset.
Okay.
If you decide say for some reason no worry, report, there, I don't agree with that type of thing. It is serviceable.
I say a serviceable. I'm say on the same presidential jet issue when you were in the majority and more government and who issue by and you said on the floor of parliament say jet some Ampanyi the two kwaya on to me Gary womb. Now,
you are listening to too much propaganda. Go back and read my statement. I never said such a thing. Go and read my statement. Go and read my statement. It is a lie, complete lie. There is no way in my statement I say what me Jarum. Let me say you are listening to NDC propaganda too much. It is not correct. I never said it anyway. It said what me Jarum. I use the word say unto me freshen up.
Freshen up.
Yes, I use the word say if a president travels today and so I want me freshen up. That's what I said. I never use the word say unto me Gary. Don't listen to any propaganda.
Okay.
Go back to my statement.
Okay, so now no sir presidential jet devices and near ubetimi freshen up maybe
The main thrust of my argument was not about the freshen up.
Okay.
The main thrust of my argument at that time was say, not a fuel problems. There were problems, and it had to do with fuel problems. The movement of the fuel through the engines and all. Now it was giving feedback that it could give you a false feedback. Say there's no fuel. Meanwhile, there's fuel. President had to do emergency landing in America because of that. Until the call. So we took it to France, where the manufacturers are. That is to the manufacturer, the salt. So the salt, spending just 1 month to 8 months that we used to be able to work on it properly. Since it came, the president has been using it. Since April was too quite so it has not had it. We don't have any problem with the jet any longer.
Okay.
But that was my trust of the matter. Say there were problems.
That's a freshen up. No, wasn't the main issue with it.
No. It had nothing. It was just a side issue that we're talking. Somebody now or be beside. I told be beside a question. I told you that look, the person had to ask, and I told them, say, look, for ordered 2 jets, Casino Kitwa, and when mills came because of politics. The Mills administration decided, say, because there's a meeting, then Bibia as a president now. In his security, even that, president and me freshen up. Even others says, your president, your team to say president, you are always suffering that aircraft. These are the issues. Until we know a backup aircraft. That's how it was ordered.
Okay.
The big one was the main aircraft, and we not a backup aircraft. For some political reason, Kaisa Bruhaha about the aircraft acquisition mills in Mahama, who use aircraft agenda. So when the aircraft came, they had to cancel to cancel the big one.
Okay.
Because one, now me catch almost one, and can blasters call ball footballer. So jet could have been used because it could carry over 50 people. Say, I saw your 4 Lebanon, that jet could have been used. There are several things that jet could have been used to do a lot of things.
Okay. So,
your president now state visits that it is your duty to carry businessmen along, so that we to introduce our businessmen to the other businessmen of the other different countries. And when your president, you want to make sure so you can freshen up in the aircraft to be able to attend meetings instead of going 1 day ahead.
Okay.
Because as we stand today, say, Ghana president, you have to go 1 or 2 days ahead of every meeting because you can't freshen up. You have to now go to your hotels, freshen up, make sure, say, BBI, you are set. But in another aircraft, you can dress in there. Make sure you freshen up and dress properly in the aircraft. Step in the aircraft, hold your meetings, and come back, so that you don't waste all our money in hotels in BBI with whoever you are wasting our money with. Sana Mikaya.
Okay.
But you are listening to propaganda to my and this is propaganda.
Yeah, fine. Until finally, Mona Moye opposition, I was with me holding buying accountable. Until when? If the president decides to still I'll be fly on a brother, what will be the next line of action?
Jet problem. It was the chief whip of the NDC, majority chief. We really see that topic. So I want Ghanaians to know, say, for some reason they assume, say, the jet issue, it's our weakness. So we decided to raise it, and I decided to point out the facts to him. Say, one, or say, Akufo-Addo rented a private jet to be in Ghana, and I told him that the cry. Akufo-Addo has never rented a private jet to be using around Ghana. 1, 2. Now, or see, Akufo-Addo has never flown on a commercial. And I'm catching so Akufo-Addo has commercial several times. British Airways, Emirates several times, and several times. I was the Minister for Defense, and I had to go to the airport every time. And now or to I have to be there. When he's coming back, I have to be there. Name the aircraft that he was using, and he went on commercial several times.
Okay.
So I told him, thirdly, me catch and said, President Mahama was renting private jet when he was president. between 2013 and 2016, he rented private jets several times. Global Express. Now, because as a Boomshell President Mahama said, when he was president, didn't he rent private jets or rented private jets several times? And yeah, until because and say Boomshell President Mahama said, was he not renting private jets?
Okay.
He did rent private jets. These were the issues I mean raising, and I told them, say, as we stand today, your private jet is in good condition.
All right.
And it is up to the president why he's not using it. Mr. President, sir, the jet is in good condition. Why are you taking gifts from people? Have you declared the amount of money that was involved? Who paid the ground rent? When I ask our ground rent, you know, is it the state? Who paid the fuel? How much was involved? Have you declared the gift, your friend, gift tax to the state? Because Obima will give that, you have to declare it.
All right.
That was the problem, President Mahama with Kanazoe, because until I declare this, it doesn't matter what is your brother, you have to declare it as a gift tax.
All right.
And pay GRA for the gift tax. That's our law.
Yeah.
We are waiting to see. We are waiting to see whether President Mahama would declare the total cost of what the brother has been doing since he became president. So, former president or private citizens, that's your cup of tea. Even with that, you have to declare. But as president of the republic, you have to declare how much was involved and pay gift tax to the GRA. But of course, the president does not pay tax, so he may not pay tax. But he has to still declare to GRA, say, my brother or my aircraft, this is the cost of the aircraft. This is how much my brother paid. And your gift, because at the end of the day, your brother may be giving some favors. So maybe you are doing it because your brother knows that you'll get some favors. And those favors may not have come if he didn't give the aircraft to you.
Okay.
So you have to declare.
Thank you very much. Honorable Dominic Nitiu, they have to force the president to declare. I don't pay a better assessor on the income. Honorable Dominic Nitiu, said the contention is on freshen up any area. Say a council will be called freshen up by saying Oba, Adriana.